Thousands have already died. Women, children, youths, elderly, they have no voice. I have become the voice of the martyrs.
That was Obadiah Malafiya speaking at the DSS headquarters in Jos, expressing his concern on the emancipation of Nigeria, both as an economist and a civil activist. Born on the 24th December 1956 in the village of Randa in Sanga local government area of Kaduna State, his elementary education began at Musha Sudan United Mission School from 1964 to 1969 and proceeded to Mada Hills Secondary School Akwanga before moving to the Ahmadu Bello University Zaria, where he graduated top of his class in 1978 with a BSc in Economics and Sociology. Malafiya began his working career by teaching government and economics at Akoko Anglican Grammar School in Ondo State before gaining entrance into the Nigerian economy, and later took a career in the Central Bank of Nigeria, where he served as a deputy governor between 2005 and 2007, and later came into prominence after leaving the CBN by making public comments on national issues, one of which had him invited by the DSS on several occasions.
Many people have said worse things. Nobody invited them.
Yes, we know them.
I came here as a law-abiding citizen. And I'm living here as a law-abiding citizen. I spoke for the love of our people. I spoke for those who have no voice. Many are dead. The killing must stop. The killings must stop.
Malafiya's death has drawn reactions on the legacies he has left behind.
We've lost a man of courage. We've lost a brilliant intellectual. Someone who had passion for this country. Someone who was ready to lay down his life for this country. We've lost a man of integrity. We've lost a voice in the nation.
He has, with courage, spoken truth to power. Despite efforts by neo-feudalists to silence him, he has remained resolute and continues to speak and challenge those who have colluded with terrorists to bring insecurity in this country.
Age 64, to many, Obadiah Malafiya will be remembered for as a Middle Belt crusader whose contributions will be added to Nigeria's folklore. Damasani Dan Kwada, AIT News, Joel.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.